Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining something that has confused a lot of Power BI users, and that is the difference between drill down and drill through. Many Power BI users confuse the two, but they are not the same. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down in simple terms what these two words mean and when you can use it, and also how you can make your dashboard very interactive. Let me break it down in simple terms.
So let's explain the difference between drill down and drill through using this example. Simply put, drill down is simply going through the levels of a particular visual, digging deeper into that visual to find out more information from it. That is what drill down means. For instance, when you go to this page, I have a chart here. I have a chart here with an example of total revenue by year. As you can see, my chart is only showing me the yearly revenue. What if I want to add in the monthly and the quarterly revenue? So I'll drag in my quarter here and I'll drag in my month name here. Once you look at my chart, you can see that I have these symbols up. This is simply the drill down and drill up symbol. So how does it work? If I want to go down through the levels, all I need to do is to do what? To click here, drill up. You can see now, I can see my visuals for year. I can see my visuals for quarter. So let's try it out. Click on here, click to turn on drill down. Select it, then you click down. You see I can see my quarterly, I can see my month name. If you go up, you still go back quarter, month, year, quarter, month, quarter, year. So this is simply what drill down in a visual is. So this tool is actually a very powerful tool to use when you want to put in layers in your visuals so that anybody who wants to search for more information can simply do that. Okay, so that is what drill down is. So now let's talk about drill through. I'm going to be using this chart here to explain what drill through means. Drill through means simply clicking to find out more details about a particular item or value or category in another page. For instance, in my chart here, I have total revenue by pharmacy type. Well, I have urban, suburban, and rural. Now, I want to create a drill through whereby when I click on urban, it opens up to another page where only information about urban pharmacy type is. So, what do you do to create or to set up your drill through page? The first thing you need to do is to create a new page here. And on this new page, you're not just going to create, you're going to come to formatting, come to formats, come to paid information. You can rename your page to pharmacy, pharmacy type or pharma type drill through. You can just, let's put it that way. Then come to standard and select drill through. Very easy. So once you've done this, all you need to do is to come here and select the drill through from what? Add your data and select the pharmacy. Select the pharmacy type you want to use for your drill through. It is as simple as ABC. Now, once you've done that, you can see that you have an arrow here, which will take you back to the previous page in this report, where this report should be coming from. So as long as you've set your drill through page, this arrow will be activated. All you need to do is click through to go back to your page where you set as your drill, where you use as reference for your drill through page. So how do we go to our drill through page from here? All you need to do is to come over to your any of the categories you want to use, hover here and you will see the two tips showing. Once the two tips shows, just come here and select drill through and farmer type drill, and to take you to the drill page. As you can see, every information here, it will be only related to your farmer type. That is the urban is selected. Let's go back and check out another one. Select urban, wait for the drill through icon to come out, select drill through farmer type, and every information here will only be related to the urban type. So that is how you use drill down and drill through in your reports. So this is a very amazing feature to use in Power BI This is an amazing feature to use in Power BI, and if you're not using it yet, I think this is a chance or opportunity for you to start using it. I hope by now you understood the difference between drill down and drill through. Let me know if there are more things you would like me to explain, you want me to post, as I'll be posting videos regularly on this channel.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe and share this video so that others can also have access to this knowledge and learn. I will be posting more interesting videos regularly every week, so be sure to come back and watch more.